Hey everyone, this is Amal Naruto. Welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'll be explaining about quick access toolbar. So now I'm gonna show you how to access or how to use a quick access toolbar. So for example, the thing that you are actually seeing here, the save button, undo, redo, and open option, all these options are actually present to the left side of the screen. This is nothing but a quick access toolbar. So, for example, if you can tap on any of the command, for example, I'm tapping on this wrap text command. Okay. So if I right click here, then I'll be having an option called add to quick access toolbar. So if I just tap here, then what happens is automatically this wrap text has already been added to the quick access toolbar. See here. Earlier, just now we have added this option to the quick access toolbar here. And also, if you want any other commands, whatever maybe the command is, for example, if you want this alignment option, that is merge and center, to your quick access toolbar, then just right click here, then just add to quick access toolbar. Automatically, it has got added to your quick access toolbar. Okay, so in such a way, you can easily add to your quick access toolbar so that you won't find any difficulty in finding these commands. For example, if any command is in home button, then obviously it would be easy to find out. But for example, in the formulas thing, for example, date and time, this section is somewhere else. Okay. So if you want to work with this particular command, and you need to find each and every tab, you need to find each and every tab. So it would be very difficult for you to do that. So in that scenario, what you can do is you just need to tap right click here, and if you can add to quick access toolbar, then automatically this command has been added to this quick access toolbar. See here, date and time. Okay, so uh, this is the advantage of using quick access toolbar. And if you also want to customize the quick access toolbar, there is already a way. So what is that way? Here you'll be seeing an arrow button. So if you just click on that, then here what happens is, here in the down we have an option called more commands. Just click on that, then automatically you'll be seeing a pop-up window for customizing the quick access toolbar. And what you can do is, you want to add the commands which are not present in the ribbon. So you just select that option and just scroll down. Maybe I want to add this calculator button to my quick access toolbar. So what I can do is I just select the command here, and if you click add, so it is showing you already have this on the quick access toolbar. Okay, my quick access toolbar has already equipped with this command, that is calculator. So I can't add this. So what else I can add? Maybe close all. Okay, I can add this command. So I'm selecting this close all command, and if I tap on add button, automatically it will get added. Okay, and if I click OK, then automatically my see here, my quick access toolbar earlier only has the option of open. Okay, it doesn't have any close all option. But if I click OK, then automatically it will also have this command, that is close all. See here, the change has been applied, close all. So likewise, you can also customize your uh, quick access toolbar. And earlier in the video, I have explained about this formula bar. If you want to maximize the space of the formula bar, just hover over to this formula bar and you'll be having two-headed arrow. Just uh, click on that and drag it likewise. So likewise, you can increase the space, or if you don't want this much of space, you can also decrease it. Okay, so this is the manual way of doing it. And if you also want to do it through shortcuts, you can always press Control plus Shift plus U. See, I have pressed Control Shift U, and if I press it again, it will get maximized. See, did you get that? See here, I'm pressing Control Shift. Okay, see here. If I press Control Shift U, then it will be minimized. If I press it again, it will be maximized. So likewise, you can play with. So, so that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. If you like the content, just share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Jai Hind.